by the end of the video, will know about protein powder for weight loss. Maximize your results quickly. When it comes to maximizing your weight loss results with protein powder, there are several strategies you can implement. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dymatize ESO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. 1. Choose the right protein powder. Opt for a high-quality protein powder that fits your dietary preferences and needs. Whey protein, pea protein, soy protein, and casein protein are all popular options. Consider factors such as taste, texture, and any potential allergies or intolerances. 2. Prioritize protein intake. Make sure you're consuming enough protein throughout the day to support weight loss and muscle preservation. Aim for a serving of protein powder as part of your breakfast, post-workout snack, or any other meal where you may need a protein boost. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. 3. Timing is key. Consuming protein powder around your workouts can be particularly beneficial. Consuming protein before or after exercise can help with muscle recovery and growth, which can ultimately support your weight loss efforts. 4. Incorporate into balanced meals. Use protein powder as a component of balanced meals and snacks. Combine it with healthy fats, fiber-rich carbohydrates, and plenty of fruits and vegetables to create satisfying and nutrient-dense meals. 5. Monitor portion sizes. While protein powder can be a convenient way to boost your protein intake, be mindful of portion sizes. It's easy to overdo it, which can lead to excess calorie intake and hinder your weight loss progress. 6. Stay hydrated. Make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day, especially when consuming protein powder. Adequate hydration is essential for proper digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall health. 7. Combine with exercise. Pairing protein powder consumption with regular exercise can help maximize your weight loss results. Strength training, in particular, can help build lean muscle mass, which can increase your metabolism and calorie burning potential. 8. Track your progress. Keep track of your food intake, exercise habits, and weight loss progress to identify what strategies are working best for you. Adjust your approach as needed to continue seeing results over time. Remember, while protein powder can be a helpful tool for weight loss, it's not a substitute for a balanced diet and regular exercise. Focus on creating sustainable lifestyle habits that support your overall health and wellness goals.